C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, say V, W, X, Y, Z. Letters in a line. Sing along, let's make it fun. Alphabet's the rhyme. A to Z we sing. Every letter's king. Round and round the tune we go. The alphabet will show. A, B, C, D now. E, F, G, and then H, I, J, K, L, M. Start with vowels again. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. True, true. W to X makes sense. Now Y, Z with you. Sing it loud and clear. Alphabet, my dear. Every letter shines like gold, and the story's told. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. True. W to X makes sense. Now Y, Z with you. Sing it loud and clear. Alphabet, my dear. Every letter shines like gold.
Let's sing the ABC song together. La 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 la. A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for doll, doll. E is for elephant,
the park. H is for hat, where it's dark. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jump, off your 2 feet. K is for kite, flying high in the sky. L is for lion, with the big roar nearby. M is for monkey, swinging in the trees. N is for nest, where birds find ease. O is for octopus, in the deep blue sea. P is for penguin, waddling merrily. Q is for queen, regal and fair. R is for rainbow colors in the air. S is for sun shining so bright. T is for turtle, slow day and night. U is for umbrella, shelter from rain. V is for violin, a musical refrain. W is for whale, majestic in the sea. X for xylophone, notes play free. Y is for yo-yo, up and down it goes. Z is for zebra, in black and white rows. Dance, 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 dance. C is for yo-yo, up and down it goes. Oh, C is for zebra, in black. Oh, ABC, so easy and fun. Learning our letters one by one, from A to Z. Come sing with me the alphabet song. It's as easy as can be. Colors, colors all around. Let's name them safe and sound. Learning colors one by one with each one. Let's have some fun. Red like a juicy apple, ripe and sweet. Blue like the sky where the birds tweet. Yellow like the sun, shining bright. Green like the grass, such a lovely sight. Colors, colors all around. Let's name them safe and sound. Learning colors one by one with each one. Let's have some fun. Orange like a tiger, bold and strong. Purple like grapes in a vineyard lawn. Pink like a flower, blooming in spring. Brown like a bear, cuddling thing. Colors, colors everywhere. Let's name them without a care. Learning colors as we play. colorful world every day. Black like the night when stars shine bright, white like snow glistening in the light, gray like a cloud floating in the sky, rainbow colorful worlds flying high.